To me, God is truth and love. God is ethics and morality. God is fearlessness. God is the source of light and life. God Himself is both the law and the lawgiver. God alone is immortal, imperishable. How can anyone find words to describe Him? He is above and beyond all. Mahatma Gandhi ji always called that great power not by the name of Allah, not by the name of Khuda or God, but by the name of truth. For him, truth is God. A very hearty morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Today on 2nd of October, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. And let's start today's morning assembly by God's prayer. Morning prayer is a perfect way to focus our time and attention on seeking God's plan for the day ahead. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, we're proud to be an Indian. Pledge reminds us that we have some duties and responsibilities towards our nation. The Pledge of Allegiance instills a sense of patriotism for our country. And it's time to take pledge. For this, I would like to call Rehan from class 8th. Thank you so much, Rehan. Gandhiji's ideology of non-violence opens a world of possibilities and encourages us to think outside the box. Till now, people recall his bravery as he stood up Britishers in a non-violent manner. His words and thoughts continue to be an inspiration for many across the world even today. And now I would like to invite Pariniti from class 8 for an inspirational thought of Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning everyone. My name is Pariniti. Today's thought is: strength doesn't come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Pariniti. My dear friends, Mahatma Gandhi is known for bringing a confluence between real life and spirituality, and music was undoubtedly a part of it. On Gandhi Jayanti, remembering Mahatma's most beloved hymns, which Gandhijis and his fellow Satyagrahis chanted during the Dandi March of 1930 runs. The hymn is Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. Let us listen to the beautiful hymn popularized by Mahatma Gandhi. For this, I would like to invite Malini and Mridul from class 8th. Wonderful, and thank you so much for this beautiful presentation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a man of millennium who imparts the lesson of truth, non-violence and peace. He said that there is no God higher than truth. Let's know more about this great national hero who served the nation with truth and non-violence. And next I would like to invite Mridul from class 9 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Mridul. We are lucky to be born in the country where Bapuji is born. We children are requesting Bapu, teacher of truth, non-violence, peace, patience, unity, honesty and equality, to come again on this earth to remind us our values and history. And it's time to enjoy poem. For this, I would like to invite Vyom from class 7. Thank you so much, Vyom. How much do we know our Mahatma? Next, we have a quiz that will take you through some important phases of India's freedom struggle associated with Mahatma Gandhi. Let's we all test our knowledge. For GK quiz, I would like to invite Charan Preet from class 8. Thank you so much, Charanpreet. My dear friends, we process information through our senses. What we see affects how we think. Again, what we hear also affects our thinking. And speaking evil comes from our mind and hearts. It means that our mind is what drives us into actions. We must be pure in thoughts and actions. Mahatma Gandhi ji had chosen monkey to convey the message of don't speak bad, don't listen to bad, and don't look at bad. And now I would like to invite students of class 8 presenting the 3 wise monkeys. Thank you to all of you for such a nice presentation. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. It's time to pay respect to our nation. Get ready for national anthem. After national anthem, my dear friends, Gandhiji's life itself is a lesson, and looking at it more closely shows what a splendid man he was. The glasses, the dhoti, the charkha, one man and one emotion, Mahatma Gandhi. We salute him and all that he left us with. And here I end. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for the cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.